Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Tesla on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames using technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you like these videos, go to my website, sign up, or click down here in the bottom right hand corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so Tesla, daily chart, 524 down, a little bit down after hours. 10.7 million shares traded and 1.99% red on the day. We're still below the MAs. We've talked about this. Production numbers came out, boom. Every time they get back to the 20, gets rejected, holding the gap fill there until today. Man, that was an interesting close. They closed it pretty much at the lows of the day, not the lows here. Big support down here, guys. You Tesla bulls, good support, but it's been down here a bunch of times. More times it comes down to a certain area of support, the weaker it's going to get. This is Tesla, just like Facebook, just like Apple, just like Amazon. This thing couldn't just turn around and next thing you know, 5 weeks straight up to 380. Or does it break this area? This is the one, bulls. You want to watch 245, and you want to watch this pivot back here too. Right in here. And there's a gap fill right around here too. All right, it starts cracking that. You have the gap fill, and you're going to have this trend line too, which is big too. All right, if that thing cracks, you're going to go to 225, and then most likely 200. I still think you're going to 180 down in here, guys. After hours action was, it was a little bit of action. Look at the 10-minute. A little bit of drop, a little bit of pop. Nothing crazy, but it was kind of like stalling. It was like, oh. Everyone's like, ha, 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 ha. And all the bears are like, yeah. All the bulls are like, shut up. And then it pops up, and then the bulls are like, ha, ha. And the bears are like, well, I'm doing this. So if you're going to trade this one after hours or buying options, just go small. This is a 50-50 shot, guys. 50-50. When we go into trades like this, I tell my members, if you're going to buy a contract or something like this, you buy one. You wake up the next day, you buy a call, and this thing's getting slammed. They're done. It's a casino play. It's a lottery play, guys. Go small or don't do anything. If you can't handle a loss, don't take the trade. But my gosh, yeah, up and down, up and down. We didn't do anything with this one, but yeah, it was funny. I mean, it was like, ha ha, bulls, ha ha, bears. It was like, oh geez, and then it ends up flat on the day. So you know what? It's going to be an interesting day for the markets tomorrow with Amazon going off and all that stuff. But if nothing was going off, no news, no earnings, I'd say this isn't a bearish pattern ready to break down. That's what I would say. But a lot of news coming up. You still have China trade out there, all that good stuff. On the weekly, you can see it a little bit better, though. I mean, go straight up, right back down. Straight up, right back down. Below all the MAs, too, on the weekly time frame. That's big, too. So as long as it holds this area, cool. Let it go. If it starts to break down, just beware. 240 is going to come real quick. It's going to start filling that gap down in here. I don't know exactly where it's at, but might be right. It's somewhere down in here. But fills that gap, holds the trend line, then this might be the head fake, and then squeeze everyone's head off. So just watch for that, especially if you're short too. If you get that quick drop, you get that 20-30 bucks, guys, pull something off. This is your next area. And if that breaks and it's going to be 220, 210, 200, 190, then I still think we could get here if it's weak. That'll be probably a buyer long. Maybe. We'll see how it handles this area. This I might get interested long. It is Tesla, guys. Up 100, down 100, up 100, down 100. That's how this one works. And then monthly chart, you can see a little bit better. Man, great moves. What a great trading stock. But here's that trial. You can see this one a little bit better. Goes right down into it. This one hit the 50 MA too, though, and bounced up. Now we're below those two. Yeah, this is, man. This is key. This is critical. This starts cracking through these, guys. Boom. You better step aside. And one more. I want to put this fib here. I want to put it from this low to the all-time high. Yeah, look at that, 618. Another good. This is great support. That cracks, you're looking at 232. Right down in here. The trend line will be there and stuff like that. But that's not bad either. Man, maybe 225 if it pierces. But if it keeps going, guys, here's your magnet right here. 180.53 right in that area. Again, it's got it for the bullish case. You got to get above the moving averages on all time frames. That's your first goal. You get above those, then you got to worry about filling the gaps. You start getting above, you start getting above this 320 area, then you might be all right. But then you got the big gap fill. It starts going back to 350 right in here. I'll be interested. You know, I'll be looking at a short up here. So, but man, I would love to catch a bounce in this one, and this one rips. Not yet though. Let's see what it does tomorrow with earnings, and then we'll take it from there. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe down here. Don't forget to like the video and all that good stuff. And hey, thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.